Okay guys, this is a 97 Honda Civic. Did a B20 swap on. It was running for a few days. I didn't get back home for a few weeks. I tried to restart it again, and this is what I'm getting. When I come into the car to try to start the car, I turn the key to the on position. And I get nothing. The cell light for the check engine light doesn't turn on. Fuel pump doesn't prime. It's like it's not reading the ECU or something. I was told it might be the main relay or the ignition switch. I have a spare ignition switch here, which I already swapped out. Didn't help it. It made no change. I have 3 different ECUs that have tried my ECU and the main relay. I tried both off of my Integra over here and also my Civic Si outside. Both of my other cars are running except this one. I'm kind of all out of ideas. Any suggestions what to check next will help. Thank you.